Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Pointe-à-la-Garde is a small and peaceful village, located on the southern shore of the Gaspésie Peninsula in Quebec. This charming community is nestled right along the shores of the Chaleur Bay, a stunning body of water known for its warm, tranquil waters and beautiful sunsets. Pointe-à-la-Garde is a place with a rich history and a strong connection to the sea. The village's name, which means Garde Point, hints at its strategic location along the coast. This area has long been a key spot for navigation and fishing, with early settlers relying on the bay's abundant marine life for their livelihood. The surrounding landscape is a mix of rolling hills, dense forests, and scenic coastlines, making Pointe-à-la-Garde a perfect destination for nature lovers. The village is small, but it's filled with friendly locals who take pride in their community and its history. One of the most notable features of Pointe-à-la-Garde is its quiet, laid-back atmosphere. It's a place where you can truly relax and enjoy the simple pleasures of life, whether that's taking a stroll along the beach, watching the fishing boats in the bay, or just soaking in the natural beauty of the area.
Thanks for watching!